stabilize. Hold on. How was that?
Awesome! Again,
Phoenix would like to go. Can you let Phoenix go?
Okay. Ow.
How's your butt?
It's okay.
A little bruised?
No. That's actually really fun.
I swear I never got it out of first gear.
I don't know how to take this
Did
off.
Daddy go really fast?
No.
No. Kinda. Yeah.
So was there anything to be scared of?
No!
See why Mommy likes the bikes?
Nope.
You didn't like the bike ride? Wait,
I did.
So how was your first ride?
Awesome. I'm gonna do it again.